uNomuzi Mabena owaziwa kakhulu ngelikaMuzi uzithole esenkingeni engalindele ngenxa yombhede neheadboard. Le ntokazi eneminyaka engu-33 ubudala izithole isemlomeni wabantu ku-TikTok kunevidiyo ayifakile elele embhedeni wakhe ezikhulumela nama-followers wakhe, kodwa abantu baku-TikTok bashiye lokho ebekusho bagxila ekutheni umbhede wakhe awuna-headboard. Abanye baphawule kanjena kuma-comments, umuntu odumile njengawe angaba nombhede ongena-headboard, kodwa uMuzi akathulanga ubuyile ngevidiyo ethi,
Do you know what often bores me about TikTok? And it's specifically TikTok. Is that you guys will miss the point of a video and just make it about something else. Now you guys are mad about male baddies, but instead of recognizing that I'm a male baddies, you guys are gonna fry me about not having a headboard. Angna, you guys a headboard. Angna. Somebody even commented and said not having a headboard is bad for your head. Uzoba nempandla. Well, I'm already halfway there, so I guess it's okay. But no, guys, I don't have a headboard. Let me show you actually like my inspo that I'm trying to go for in my room. You see? No headboard. What I have wanted to do though for the longest time is put up my GQ covers on this wall. But I just never got around to it. But I'm gonna do it. Because wow, angifuna ukutrenda. Hey! Yes guys, angifuna ukutrend. Oh my gosh, angifuna ukutrend. Like I'm not like other people who don't mind trend. I mean, angifuna ukutrend guys. Angifuna. So come with me. We're gonna go get those framed and then put them up. Also, get off my dick about these sheets. My helper is on holiday. It's January. It was Christmas break. She shouldn't take a break. And you think I'm gonna be changing sheets with these nails? Oh no, my darling. I know. Also, these are not bad. They're giving like a nice holiday vibe. Why are you guys doing that? And you guys are talking shit and you don't even have a bed. Don't get hurt. Don't get hurt because it's true. You don't even have a bed. Not grateful. I've got bed. I've got nice soft pillows. And soon I'm going to have my frames up. So let me go get those things framed actually before you guys continue to fry me. Don't worry about my headboard. Look at my car. Yes, when a panoramic roof. Who cares about a headboard when you've got a panoramic roof? Okay, no, I'm joking. My assistant has the pictures, guys. I forgot that I left them with her. So I'm going to go and fetch them. Then I'm going to go get them framed. I wanted to flex on you guys that my gate is electronic, but my nephew took the button out and said, relax, Wena. Oh my gosh, wow. Okay, so we got the pictures. Oh my gosh, they're actually so big. They're definitely bigger than I remember them.
Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, ulike, ucommente. Bye.